Hello, everyone today. We want to tell you about the beautiful city of Piura. There are many things to do here. First, you can visit the Plaza de Armas. It's in the city center and is very colorful. You can walk around, take pictures, and relax near the fountain. You can also go to the beaches of Mancora and Lobitos. The water is warm and the sand is clean. There are also some places where you can swim with turtles. It's an amazing experience. If you like culture, you can visit the Miguel Grau House Museum. There is a lot of interesting history inside. So don't wait any longer. Come and explore Pura.
Yes, and there are also many things to see and eat in Piura. There are some beautiful churches like the Piura Cathedral, which is next to the Plaza de Armas. The surrounding streets are full of artisan shops. You can buy jewelry and colorful pottery. If you visit Catacaos, there are many traditional markets. You can find many souvenirs and also some handmade hats and bags. And of course, Piura has delicious food. There is a lot of traditional cuisine. You can try seco de cabrito, good squid, adobo, marine pork, and ceviche. The dishes are flavorful and their portions are generous. So come to Piura, enjoy the food, explore the marks, and try something new.
That's right. Pura is warm, friendly, and full of life.
There is always something amazing. Do you hear? Piura awaits you.